delicious coffee butter frosting recipes. Elevate your baking game. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the most delightful and mouthwatering recipes. Today, we have something truly special for all you coffee lovers out there: coffee butter frosting. If you want to take your baking to the next level, stick around, because we're going to show you not one, but two incredible coffee butter frosting recipes. Let's get started. Recipe 1. Classic coffee butter frosting. Ingredients: 1 cup unsalted butter, softened. 4 cups powdered sugar. 2 tablespoons instant coffee granules, dissolved in 1 tablespoon hot water. 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. 1–2 tablespoons heavy cream, as needed for consistency. Instructions. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee lover. In a mixing bowl, beat the softened butter until creamy and smooth. Gradually add the powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, and mix until well incorporated. Add the dissolved instant coffee and vanilla extract to the mixture, and beat until the frosting gains a smooth coffee flavor. If the frosting is too thick, add heavy cream 1 tablespoon at a time until you reach your desired consistency. Once the frosting is ready, transfer it to a piping bag and use it to frost your favorite cupcakes, cakes, or cookies. Recipe 2. Mocha coffee butter frosting. Ingredients: 1 cup unsalted butter, softened. 4 cups powdered sugar. 3 tablespoons cocoa powder. 2 tablespoons instant coffee granules, dissolved in 1 tablespoon hot water. 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. 1–2 tablespoons milk, as needed for consistency. Instructions. In a mixing bowl, beat the softened butter until it becomes fluffy and light. Gradually add the powdered sugar and cocoa powder, 1 cup at a time, and mix until fully incorporated. Add the dissolved instant coffee and vanilla extract to the mixture, and beat until the frosting develops a rich mocha flavor. If the frosting is too thick, add milk 1 tablespoon at a time until you achieve your desired consistency. Once the mocha coffee butter frosting is ready, transfer it to a piping bag and use it to frost your favorite cupcakes, cakes, or brownies. There you have it, 2 absolutely delectable coffee butter frosting recipes that are sure to satisfy your coffee cravings and elevate your baked goods to a whole new level. These frostings are perfect for any occasion, from birthdays to cozy gatherings with friends and family. If you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delightful recipes like this. Thanks for watching, and happy baking!
Cat Pumpkin Fall Sunglasses, the perfect accessory for the autumn season. These stylish shades feature a unique cat design that adds a playful touch to any outfit. With their trendy sunglass frames and vibrant fall leaf patterns, these sunglasses are a must-have for fashion-forward individuals who want to make a statement. The Cat Pumpkin Fall Sunglasses not only protect your eyes from the sun's rays, but they also bring a touch of whimsy to your fall wardrobe. Whether you're strolling through pumpkin patches or sipping on pumpkin spice coffee, these sunglasses are sure to turn heads and keep you looking cool. Embrace the spirit of fall with the Cat Pumpkin Fall Sunglasses.